name is Annie Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do coconut cookies. And our ingredients, we have flour 250 grams, we have our icing sugar 250 grams, we have our desiccated coconut 250 grams, we have our butter 250 grams and one piece of egg, and that is it. So we are going to sieve the icing sugar with the flour. Then now transfer our mix to the mixing bowl. Here we'll put our desiccated coconut inside, plus our icing sugar and flour inside. Plus our butter inside. Then we mix until it crumbles first before we put the egg. Ready. Now we are going to transfer it and let it rest for 30 minutes, for just a few like 10 minutes, sorry, before we start rolling it into balls. Very nice. This is one recipe you really need to try. Now our dough has rested, our cookie dough has rested. We're going to make small balls and put them on the baking tray and bake for 180 degrees for 30 minutes, and that is it. see how my cookies are. They are very, very nice coconut cookies. I'll try to break one so that you see it is very, very crunchy. Please try my recipe and also let me know in the comment section how my cookies were, and I'll be so happy. And also remember to like this video if you liked it, and share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be so happy. And also remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time,